Greetings everyone, my name is Sir Mark of House Mathematics and you are watching GMix Math Tutorial. And for this video, we'll be talking about what is quadratic equation. In this video, we'll be learning on how to identify quadratic equations by describing a quadratic equation, transform quadratic equations into standard form, and learn how to identify the value of a, b, and c in a given quadratic equations. So, bring out your learning materials and let's get started. A quadratic equation is a mathematical sentence of degree 2 that can be written in the following standard form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, and x represents the unknown. In a quadratic equation, ax is the quadratic term, where a is the coefficient of a quadratic term. Bx is the linear term, where b is the coefficient of a linear term. And c is the constant term, and c is also the constant. There are three different quadratic equations. First, a quadratic equation in a standard form with the value of a, b, and c. Example, x squared plus 9x minus 12 is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 9, and c is equal to 12. Second, equations without linear term, constant term, or both. Example, x squared minus 60 equals to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 because there is no linear term, and our c is negative 64. Example number 2, 5x squared minus 22x is equal to 0, where a is equal to 5 and b is equal to negative 23, and our c is 0 because there is no constant term. And third, transforming quadratic equation into standard form by using addition and multiplication properties of equality to find the value a, b, and c. For instance, we have 21x squared plus 3 is equal to x squared minus 3. Since this is not in a standard form, we have to transform it in a standard quadratic form. So, step 1, identify the given, which is 21x squared plus 3x equals to x squared minus 3. Step 2 is to identify the property of equality that we should use in this given problem set, and that is addition property of equality. So first, we have to add both sides by 3 to eliminate negative 3. So 21x squared plus 3x plus 3 is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 3. Then it will give us the 21x squared plus 3x plus 3 equals to x squared. But still it is not in a standard form, so we have to continue by adding both sides by negative x squared to eliminate x squared and convert it in a standard form. So we will have x or 21x squared minus x squared plus 3x plus 3 is equal to x squared minus x squared. So step number 3 or step 3, simplify and express the equation into standard form. So our standard or simplified standard form is 20x squared plus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Lastly, identify the value of a, b, and c. So for the value of a, we have 20, value of b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 3. So now that we are done discussing about the different quadratic equation, it is your time to do some practices. To test your understanding, I have prepared several quadratic equations, and you will be given the timer to answer each of the given question by converting them from not a standard form into a standard quadratic equation, and identify the value of a, b, and c. For example, we have 2 times 2k squared plus 2k is equal to negative 3. For its standard form, it will be 2k squared plus 4k plus 3 is equal to 0. And the value of a is equal to 2. And the value of b is equal to 4. And the value of c is equal to 3. Now it's your turn. First, we have time is up, lads, and the answer is next. For second question, we have oops, pants down, and let's reveal the answer. Now, for your last questions, we will have timer's up, and for the count of 3, let's reveal the answer. 1, 2, 3, go! So that would be all for this video, and I hope you had fun learning with me, because I'm sure I did. Again, this is Sir Louis, your math study buddy. See ya, love ya.